Hello everyone, it's Achal Chauhan here. Today we are going to start the first chapter of computers, that is advanced features of Windows 7. Now we all are working in Windows 7. From in 5th class, 6th class, 7th class we have already studied about the Windows 7. Now one by one we will discuss each and everything again, just only a quick recap. So starting with the first topic, what is Windows Explorer? So Windows Explorer is a file management application in Windows. It is not a software, it is actually what? It is only a application through which you can navigate your files and folders. Navigate means you can search around. यानी कि आप अपने कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को क्या कर सकते हो? You can navigate through different files and folders that you have created in your computer system that are stored into the various disk drive. Disk drive means like C drive you have created in your system, D drive is there, E drive is there, as much as you want. ठीक है, so those files and folders or the data is stored in the form of files and folders, and those files and folders are stored on disk drive of the computer system. And you can see one more thing, whenever you switch on the computer, so the first screen that appears in front of you, so at the lower part, at the lower left corner actually, you will see a yellow color icon is there, and that yellow color icon nearby the Internet Explorer application is actually known as Windows Explorer. Okay, now next is, look at here. So when you will open Window Explorer window, what will happen? Here you can see this one, back and forward button. Here it is given in this form, back and forward button. Okay, then it is toolbar is given here, then address bar, this here you can write the address in this. Now here is search box where you can search anything. Now minimize and maximize button, look at here, for minimize and maximize, here it is for minimize and maximize, and close button also. Okay, so for minimize we use this sign, for maximize this, and for close this sign. Then next, navigation pane, ठीक है, this one. And then for scroll bar, this one vertical scroll bar is given here, look out, this, yeah, this is scroll bar. Okay, then next, file and folder list that you have made here. Okay, so this is what when you will open the Windows Explorer actually, so it is going to look like this. Then next is, moving on to the next, libraries in Windows 7. So what are libraries? So when you will open actually Windows Explorer, so on the left side, or you can see in your book also, one diagram is given. Okay, so you can see library option will be visible to you when you will open the Windows Explorer window. So what is the working of library? So libraries are user defined collections of content. Whatever content you have made, that will appear, that will come into the library. It is a type of folder that is used to manage music, pictures, documents, etc. Libraries bring together the similar category files together. Similar category means what? If you have created audio files, so that will goes into music. If you have clicked any pictures or any images, so that will go into which folder automatically? Pictures folder, not in music. If any mp4 file is there, mp4 or mp3 file is there, ठीक है, so that will get stored into music. And if any jpeg file है, मतलब कोई image अगर है, कोई picture है, pic है, तो that will get stored into picture folder. And if any pdf file or any word file is there, or PowerPoint presentation is there, so that type of document will get stored into document library. That means similar category files will merge together. Next is types of libraries. Now look at here, types of libraries. Now on the left side here it is given library. So when you will open Windows Explorer actually, so on the left side you will see here what? Library option. When you will click on this library option, so these type of 4 categories are provided in front of you. First is document, where all the documents whatever you have created using PDF or using Word file, using Notepad file, that will appear. Then next one is music library, all the audio files or video files will come here, sorry, audio files only. And the next is pictures, so pictures will contain all the pics, that means all the images into it and all the screenshots. And the next one is videos file. So this is what about libraries. Next is how to change the view of files and folders. If you want to change the view, so we are having different options like extra large icon, large icon, medium, small, list and details icon, and one more is there actually content icon. Okay, so one by one we will go through each and everything. Like change the view, how to change the view. Okay, now look at here. If you want to change the view, so there is one option that is right click. जिसको आपको व्यू करना है, you will click right click on that screen and then one option is there view option. View पे जाके there are so many options. ठीक है, you can select any one of these like extra large icon, medium, small, then list, details, styles and content views, right? So you can select any one of it and the changes will appear in front of you on the screen. So this is how you can change the view. Or one more method is also there, from here organize menu, from here also you can do otherwise. Okay, from here you can select view option, so different type of views will be available in front of you. Next is large icon. Now look at here, this is here view option is there, right? And views option may we are having extra large icon, medium, list, large, small, details icon. So one by one we will go through. Now this is the picture for large icon. So here you look at here, large icon I have selected. So if you will click on it, so all the pictures will come in this way, large icon. And if you will select extra large icon, so size of this image will get larger like this. In this way it will come. So this is for extra large icon, but this is actually what, this is only large icon. Moving on to the next, small icon. So if you will click on small icon, look at here, I have selected small icon here. ठीक है, so इस small icon पे click करने पर आपको files ऐसे visible होंगी. Next, list view. If you will select list view here, then you will get व्यू इन दिस वे. आपको सिर्फ लिस्ट की फॉर्म में, जैसे कि फाइल नंबर 1, फाइल नंबर 2, फाइल नंबर 3 इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिस्ट इट विल गेट अपीयर. नेक्स्ट, डिटेल्स व्यू. Details view में you will get what, the name of the file, the date on which you have created and at what time you have created it and what type of file it is, file folder. जैसे कि ये येलो क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है, this yellow sign actually represents that it is a folder. ठीक है, so this and this size required by it. So details will represent this thing. In this way you can check for content also. Here it is content, so you can check for content how it will appear. Next is tiles view. I have selected here tiles view and look at here the changes. Now next topic is how to create a new folder. So new folder, first option is you can click here also, new folder, or the second option is in file and folder task there is one option, make a new folder. Look at here, make a new folder, you can check it out, here it is given, make a new folder. So by here also you can make it, or one more option is there, which is what, by right click, you just right click on the screen and the option will come for new folder. From there also the three methods are there to create a new folder. Moving on to next, how to rename files and folders. How to rename. So rename करने के लिए क्या करना है आपको, you just click on the file which you want to rename, right click करने के बाद click on rename option and finally after that you just give the new name to the selected file, or from the keyboard also you can directly press F2 key to rename a file. Next, how to select all the files and folders. So select, you can use the shortcut key like control plus A. So control plus A will select all the content displayed on the screen. जो भी आपके स्क्रीन पे दिखेगा उस सबको सेलेक्ट कर देगा कंट्रोल ए, और अदरवाइज आप माउस क्लिक करके भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, how to delete files and folders. Same, it is already you have done all these things, there is no need of detailed explanation. I have just put the diagrams here. ठीक है, सो डिलीट करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हो, आप सेलेक्ट करके माउस क्लिक करके यू कैन प्रेस द डिलीट की फ्रॉम द कीबोर्ड ऑल्सो, एंड द सेकेंड वे इज व्हाट, राइट क्लिक ऑन द फाइल विच यू वांट टू डिलीट एंड सेलेक्ट द डिलीट ऑप्शन. दिस इज हाउ योर फाइल विल गेट डिलीटेड. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ टू मूव एंड हाउ टू कॉपी. ठीक है, सो मूविंग मीन्स टू to take a file and folder from one place to the another place. That means shifting. मूव का अनदर नेम इज़ व्हाट, शिफ्टिंग. यानी कि आप एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पे फाइल को कैसे शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. तो शिफ्ट करने के लिए ऑलरेडी यू हैव डन दिस. सिलेक्ट द डिज़ायर्ड फाइल और फोल्डर. जो आपको मूव करना है उसको आप सिलेक्ट करें. देन द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज क्लिक ऑन कट ऑप्शन. Okay, the next is select the desired location where you want to move the file. So you will open that location where you want to copy it, where you want to move it actually, and then click on paste option. So actually move करने के लिए we are having what, cut and paste. Cut and paste to move. So move में क्या है आपका, फाइल जो होगा that will get deleted from the original location and will get copied to the new location. It will get shifted. Next is copying files and folders. So copy करने के लिए all the steps are same, just only one step is changed, that is copy. In moving, what we were doing, we will use the option cut, but in case of copy we will select the option copy. So what is the difference between move and copy? Move will shift it from one place to another, but copy means a duplicate copy will get created. That means the previous file जो होगी that will get stored at the source side also and at the destination side also. यानी कि दो copies उसकी create हो जाएंगी, एक original place पर और एक new place पर. ठीक है, in case of copy. but move के केस में क्या होगा, it will get deleted from the previous location. Next is how to view the properties of files and folders. If you want to view the property, that what type of file it is, or it is that hidden or not, and how many size does it takes in the computer system, how many bytes it takes. So for all that properties you can check how. You will simply select the folder or file that you want to view the properties of. Then click on the option property. When you will click, you will get this window, property dialog box, and here you can change the settings also, or you can see the properties from here, right? And then click on OK. How to create the shortcut on desktop? So to create the shortcut, click on the file for which you want to create shortcut. Then option is here, send to. After clicking on send to, there is the option desktop create shortcut. Let me just zoom in. This is how you will do. Send it to. Send to पर करने के बाद desktop पे आ रहा है option create shortcut. Or one more method is there, that is create shortcut. So from this way also, or from this way, you can create the shortcut for a selected file. Now next, CD burning. So CD burning is a process of copying the files and folders to CD or DVD. When you are having some data or the content, if you are having some movie suppose in your laptop, and if you want to transfer it to a particular CD, so that process is called CD burning. CD burn karna means to copy some content on the CD. So to burn we require something, that is what, a recordable CD drive or DVD drive, writable CD-ROM, and CD burning software installed on the computer. Now I have given the pictures for this CD, what is CD drive and what is CD-ROM. CD-ROM means simply CD. ठीक है, and CD drive means the kind of equipment that you need, ठीक है, to insert a CD. So that is CD drive. And one you need was a kind of software to burn. Without software obviously it's not possible, because I clearly said one thing कि computer is only just a you can say it as a simple box only, and without any software it is useless. So we need CD burning software also. Now steps to burn a CD. Look at here. Insert CD in the CD-ROM drive. After that, open the CD burning software, click on add option, next option, burn option, and OK option. So these are the simple steps, you just go through it, right? Then next is, and even in your book it is given more clearly, because in your book exam that diagram is also given, so it's better to read out from the book. Here I have written only these steps, but from, if you will study from your book, that will become more clear, because with diagram it is clearly explained. Now here it is what, CD-ROM drive. Look at here, it is actually ROM drive, kind of equipment in which you will insert the CD. Okay, next is CD-ROM. CD-ROM is simply nothing else, optical disc. Next is operating system. So operating system is a software that helps us to operate the computer system through its various functions. It controls and manages the different parts of a computer system. Hence, it is known as the manager of computer system. Now, As we have already discussed that computer system is nothing but a collection of hardware devices like computer. You attach all devices like printer, you attach scanner, you can attach mouse, keyboard, CPU, UPS. All these are hardware devices, but these hardware devices are simply useless without software. If software will not get installed on the machines, then these devices will not be able to work properly. So to manage the functionality of all these devices, to have the proper working, अगर properly work कराना है आपको on the computer system, then we need some kind of software installed on it. ठीक है, तो operating system क्या होता है? Operating system is also a kind of software that manages all the functionality of the computer system. क्योंकि वो सारी चीज़ों को manage करता है, that's why it is called the manager of the computer system. Next is graphical user interface. So it is a type of user interface that allows the user to interact with the electronic device. So most important point is to interact. So in short, it is actually known as GUI, graphical user interface. So with the electronic device through graphical icons and visual indicators. It means, have you seen कि when you open your computer system, so the very first window that appears in front of you, so some kind of visual indicators, or we can say some kind of visual icons displayed on the screen. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर के लिए आपने देखा है कि इस तरीके से आता है बना हुआ ई साइन, इस तरीके से बना हुआ आता है ई साइन. माई कंप्यूटर के लिए दिस टाइप ऑफ साइन फॉर माई कंप्यूटर, राइट, एंड मैनी मोर आर देयर. तो जैसे आप ओपन करते हो आपने देखा बहुत सारे हमारे पास क्या होते हैं आइकन्स बने हुए आते हैं ऑन द डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन, डेस्कटॉप पर, है ना. सो दैट आर नोन एज व्हाट, ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस. वो एक इंटरफेस का मतलब इट वर्क्स एज अ लिंक बिटवीन अ कंप्यूटर और बिटवीन अ डिवाइस एंड अ यूज़र. एक यूज़र अगर उसको किसी डिवाइस से पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिकेट करना है तो उसमें कम्युनिकेशन करने के लिए देयर इज़ अ नीड ऑफ अ लिंक, एंड दैट लिंक इज़ कॉल्ड GUI. Next, MS Windows. So we have discussed about operating system. So MS Windows is a kind of operating system. MS Windows is a kind of operating system, and it is the most popular operating system in the world today. The reason is what, because it provide icons. जैसे भी हमने डिस्कस किया ना, आइकन्स ये है ना, इस तरीके से बहुत सारे आइकन्स डिस्प्ले होते हैं होम पेज पर, डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन पर. सो क्योंकि आइकन्स प्रोवाइड करता है, सो इट बिकम्स वेरी ईजी फॉर अस टू इंटरेक्ट विद द डिवाइसेस. So hence it is very popular. And then very important term is what is booting. Booting is what, when we switch on the computer, the operating system get loaded into the computer's memory. जैसे हम सिस्टम को ऑन करते हैं तो क्या होता है, हमारा जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होता है, जैसे कि हम एग्जांपल की बात करें MS विंडोज़, इट इज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. सो इट विल गेट इंस्टॉल्ड इनटू दी मेमोरी के अंदर इंस्टॉल होगा. कब? क्योंकि जब तक मेमोरी में इंस्टॉल नहीं होगा द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम विल नॉट बी एबल टू वर्क प्रॉपरली. और अगर सॉफ्टवेयर और कंप्यूटर सिस्टम विल नॉट वर्क प्रॉपरली, देन वट इज़ द एडवांटेज ऑफ इट. ठीक है, अगर आप ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इंस्टॉल्ड ही नहीं है, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ही मैनेज कर रहा है सारी चीज़ों को, सो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज़ नॉट इंस्टॉलिंग और इट इज़ नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली, देन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम इन टर्न विल ऑल्सो नॉट वर्क प्रॉपरली. सो हैंस इट इज़ मस्ट, then when it is loaded into the computer memory, so this process is called what, booting. So when the operating system will get loaded into the computer's memory, when you switch on the computer, that process is called booting. Moving on to the next, here I have given the complete one diagram for Windows 7, how it looks like, and you already know how it looks like. Here you can see this start Internet Explorer, and this is actually Windows Explorer, the very first topic that we have discussed, right. हमने first topic discuss किया था in the starting Windows Explorer. This is how it's look like, the very first topic that we have discussed in today's lecture. So it is Windows Explorer, and this sign is used for media player. So these all are graphical icons, and this is actually known as what, GUI. Okay. Next, I have provided the answers also, so you can check from here. For oral questions, so answer for first is slide number 4. इसमें आप देखोगे आई हैव गिवन दिस numbers also for each and every slide. You can check it out here. Like for this slide I have 27 slide, then for here it's 28th slide is here. So like this I have provided the slide numbers also, so you can write the answers from there. So slide number 4, point number 2 only you have to write in your answer. Then for second answer is this tiles option display files and folder in the form of icons, only 2 are there. Then for quiz, page number 7, only definition from the book you have to write. Topic you can check from the book. I have not written here the top name of the topic, ठीक है, because topic you can see from the question also, but the answer is on page number 7. Then for quiz, पेज नंबर 13, प्रैक्टिस टाइम आपका एक बुक में दिया हुआ है किस तरीके से लास्ट ऑफ द पेज में, at the last of the page one this type of pink color box is given in which the answer is written, so just copy all the points. Then next one is fill in the blanks answers. MCQs you can check here, very short. First answer detail view, second answer page number 14, points from the book you will write, all the points you have to write from the book here. Then for short answers only this much you have to write. Then for long answer, look at here it is actually it's number 2 and this one is number 3. Okay, make it correct. Then the first answer is पेज नंबर 8 and 9 full point except tiles view. आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ tiles view में you have to change the answer. Tiles view में what you have to write, बाकी complete you have to write like a small icon, large icon, extra large icon without pictures. You need not to draw pictures of it, only simple explanation, that's it. Then full points only, and tiles view में you will write this option is used from here till icons, and then you will continue and के बाद and the information से up to folder name तक, ठीक है. Then for second, first page number 14 you will check here according to the topic given in the question. Then B answer is on slide number 26. Then for this one third answer slide number 21 पर आपको लिखना है only the definition part, you have to write it here, only the definition part, and 22 page number also. So 21 slide slide number 21 पे से only definition and slide number 22 complete you have to write. So here your chapter is over. Now we will start the second chapter in the next video. So till now it's over. Now one more time just let me show you. Short answers, very short answers. MCQs, here it is fill in the blanks. Quiz one more time, and oral questions. That's it. Thank you.